Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the ampersand operator. It provides a very useful functionality in scripts. But first, to demonstrate how this operator works, we're going to run a couple commands on the command line. So if I say echo hello and echo welcome user, I'm going to get, didn't spell hello right, but get something like that. First we say hello, and then we welcome the user. So if this command is successful, then this command will also be run. Now let's look at another example. Here we say cat my file, ampersand, echo success. Now here we see we get an error message because my file doesn't exist, so we never run the second command, which would have said success. The ampersand operator is most often used in scripts when you need to ensure that some file exists or some other condition is met before you take the next step. For example, you might have a line in a script which looks like this. Here we say if there's a file called test file, then we're going to go ahead and move that or change its name from test file to test file hyphen or test file not. So if this is successful, we go ahead and run the second command. In this other example, we're going to try to remove a file and send any error output to dev null. If this command is successful, we're just going to show this message which confirms that the file was deleted. Well, that's your Linux tip for the ampersand command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you liked this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.